This is Vishal, director from the Mahesh Twisto company, and basically we are a manufacturer of the machines for making rope, nets, fishing net, bellet twine, and since last 40 years we are exporting in more than 96 countries worldwide. Regarding the show, it is a very nice response we get, and I hope we can take more shows in the future. We are selling in more than 96 countries worldwide. We have our own offices in Europe, in Dubai, in Middle East, African countries. We have more than 25 offices worldwide. Our machine is mainly designed for making the rope, high tenacity ropes, the nets for the fishing, shed net, green net, agriculture net, all types of net. Thank you.